What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today I'm gonna take you to one of my favorite places in Alaska, so let's go do it. Welcome to Truck House Live, baby. It's a bright and early 6:30 a.m. and we're up in Eureka right now. We're gonna head down the road towards one of my favorite places in the state. We're gonna go up to basically the tallest mountains in the Talkeetnas on top of the glaciers, and it's just a really epic journey back there, so I'm stoked. We're gonna go meet Max and Mike. Let's go. These guys camped out last night right beside us. Nice trucking age. Those guys were here yesterday when I pulled in, and I just talked to them for a little bit. They're going out to their cabin in Lake Louise or something like that. Anyway, here we go, heading south towards the spot. So this journey is gonna take us just about 40 miles deep into the Alaska backcountry up on the glaciers. And it's kind of cool because this isn't really a known area to ride in. That's why I'm not disclosing where it is, to keep it, you know, keep it interesting, keep it fun up here. But it's one of my favorite spots, so I wanted to share it with you guys somehow. Man, are you guys seeing this? It could not be a more beautiful day out. It's just absolutely bluebirds, sun's coming up over there. Just gorgeous out. Super stoked. I think it's gonna be a really good day up here. I tell you one thing, the roads are really bad right now, so I'm gonna lock the hubs. So maybe 2 or 3 inches of snow on the road, which is making it sketchy. Whew. That's a little better, feel safer for 4-wheel drive. Hey, there's some moose. A couple. All right, we're here. Gonna get the sled unloaded and let's go hit it. There's Max. And he's stuck. Oh, damn it, I just filled my truck with snow. Yep. Not again. Be your gloves. Tilting could be shady.
Just gonna have to make a compilation of all your unload videos. Is your heart pounding? Can you feel the adrenaline?
Just be like perfectly lined up. It'll take off.
Like a pro. I don't know why you always complain about that. You're so smooth with it, Timmy.
No. That looks smooth, but it's not always smooth, man. All right, doing pretty well, plugging along. We're having a kind of bushwhack / break trail, but it's all good. It's pretty sweet mountains around. Absolutely gorgeous day. Couldn't be any better. Still got a long ways to go. We're going way to the back of the valley and on top of those highest mountains back there. Here we are. We just came through all that. This has been like absolutely gnarly with the alders, and they've been hitting my brake and stopping me, and been hitting Max's kill switch, turning off his sled, and finally one caught his throttle and almost sent him into the trees over there. So he's messing with the throttle cable back now, trying to get her going again. Got it? Got it?
Let's see here. Find out if it takes off.
Better get ready to pull it freaking You don't have a key. Do you have a harness in it there, a key? Tether?
Yeah, I'm hooking my tether to me right now.
I'm about to say, either his throttle's going to be pinned or not.
Go!
Woohoo! Anyway, we're almost to the back of the valley. It gets really awesome up here, but this is why people don't come here. It's kind of an adventure to get out here every time. Something's different, but this is the worst alders we've ever been on this trail so far. We're going to get through it, though. I know. Okay. Holy crap. So bad. We should almost cut some of these. We're almost to the good part though. Once again, a lot more people would come here if you didn't have to put the effort into it. We're almost to the reward. The snow's gonna be good. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh yeah, it's a lake. Old Maximus. He hits we're on like a little lake here, so he hit some lake ice and flooded her out. He's also got that 5-gallon gas can in the back. A lot of weight. Woo! The snow's good. I don't know about this, but Max just went down through there and across. I guess we're going. Part of the adventure, right? Whew, that's steep. We're not coming back this way, that's for sure. What you think?
Come up right here.
What's up?
Come up right here. You can't make it up that. You got issues.
Well, I have issues. I'll tell you that right now. That other side's pretty steep transition, but maybe. We'll probably have to drop off a different area. There's a lower slope down there, actually, just straight down from this creek. Like when we're coming back up.
I mean, right there, we can just side hill out right, like I did right there.
Yeah, that's true too.
It ain't hard.
I'll figure it out. Might let you move just in case.
Well, now we get to find out why they don't have the trail on this side.
Yeah, let's go find out. I would just stay over to the left, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, a little bit.
I want to try to save some battery juice, but we're on the approach to the glaciers up there.
Come on this way.
Sit. Come again?
We're good. It looks like we're good. Come on this way.
Sounds good, man. This is the most snow I've seen in this valley before, leading to the glacier. Really good back there, but it's starting to get a little wind blowing, so we're gonna have to watch it up here. And usually we'll cross the canyon right there and side hill, but there's so much snow, I think we can side hill this right side this time, so we'll see. I'm gonna try to kind of stay in Max's tracks just to break trails, so when we're coming out, it's easier. Especially through this old avalanche debris, like right here. See how thick it is? Max literally had 6 bungees holding on the gas can, which I'm impressed because you've been jumping stuff.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6, 7. I had 7.
Yeah, 7 bungees. Hey, there's one behind you over there too.
Yeah, that's the 7th.
That's 7th. There you go. Anyway, pretty impressed. 5-gallon gas can. About 40 odd pounds of fuel just flopping around.
Made it.
Anyway, that's where we're going. Up that valley. We're about to be in pretty much the highest glaciers.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
I want to give a shout out to my daughter. She's turning 14 years old today. Happy birthday, sweetheart. Her name is Kylie.
Happy birthday. What's she doing for her birthday?
What's that?
What's she doing for her birthday?
You know, I'm not sure. She couldn't be here with us, but that's all right. She's doing something fun anyhow.
That's cool.
So, big 14. Make sure to write a happy birthday in the comments.
I remember being 14. I got put in a trash can upside down in high school. All right, it's about to get interesting. Usually we climb up on top of this little canyon wall to get around the canyon, but this is super filled in this year, so maybe we can get through it. Let's find out. Well, that's a wrap, y'all. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video where we head out towards that glacier. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.